This is a welding table, metal table. I bought it. I forgot how much is it, like $140. And I'm putting the legs, and it will look like this when it's finished. And those are the stands, the four stands that will go on the top, like this, like this. And then have 5 or 4 crossbars, 2 short, one here and one here, and the 2 long. And might be missing some screws. And when it is finished, I'm still trying to figure out, those are things that hang on the side. There's a little dent here, but that's not a problem. That's okay. It is welded. It's a very simple design. The material itself, it is worth it. It's very simple. Just any person can do it. So that is the spot welding and the cutting frames. But the material itself, it is worth it. Then you have a design that's ready to go. You just use it for welding.